Hey everyone, Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today we're going to be picking day 25. Yeah, 25. Or 25, however you're looking at it. Whatever. Really just makes 7, so... whatever. Yes, we will be picking number 25. This is my first time picking since I've had this new arrangement, so it could go sideways real fast, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and pick number 25. Is right up here. Right away from all the action. Okay, so where'd my finger go? There we go. I'm a mess today. Can't get it together. Okay, so for today's pick, we have pumpkin. Okay, my pen's not working, of course. Okay, let me try to reassemble this one, which likes to fly off at a moment's notice. Alright. Pumpkin. So, let's see. So, I think the obvious is that I could make a yarn pumpkin. Or I could do a jack-o'-lantern. I can make one of those stuffies. It's a pumpkin spice latte. I could do a pumpkin pie, either in crochet or actually make a pumpkin pie. That would be yummy. Pumpkin pie is not my favorite pie around this time of year, but that's okay. Oh, I could do pumpkin seeds, roasted pumpkin seeds. I feel like this is a good opportunity to use my orange. But what to make? Yeah, what to make? I feel like so much pumpkin stuff has been done like a trillion times before, so I don't really want to like go very traditional with this route. And because I already made a pumpkin, I feel like I need to do something different. So what if I try to do like a small like what if I did like a corner to corner dishcloth? with a pumpkin. Okay, I say a lot. Get over it. Trying to think of popular pumpkin dishes or drinks. Trying to think of the colors of yarn that I have. If anything would, I think maybe like I could make like one of those like more gross looking like wart covered pumpkins. I think I have a good color for that too. So that could be cool to try. Even though it's still just a pumpkin, at least it's a little bit different. It's got some variation to it. So I think that's pretty much all that I have for pumpkin, especially considering that I used the pumpkin that I made for a doll, so I can't do like pumpkin head or like Sleepy Hollow. I mean, I'll write Sleepy Hollow, but I don't think that I should do it because yeah, I could also carve a pumpkin. Real or fake. So, those are my ideas for pumpkin, and I hope you like them. So, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. And if Mom has any ideas, of course, I'll come back on.